Hello, my name is Leonardo and I'm from Maximo. On this video, I'm gonna show you how to manage asset downtime. And in order to do that, we need to go to the Assets application, although we can also report downtime through the work order, which I'm gonna show you later. I'm using this asset that I created before for another video, which is my centrifugal pump. Currently, I do not have any time reported against it, so I'm just going to create the first record. As you can see here, the asset is up and running without any downtime. Let's say that we want to report downtime that happened in the past a few months ago. For example, 2 months ago, we have a 24-hour downtime. I can use, as long as I have the downtime code, let's say breakdown for my 24-hour, non-operational. I'm just saying that 2 months ago I had a 24-hour breakdown, a non-operational breakdown. But as you can see here, the asset is up and running with 24-hour downtime, which happened 2 months ago, okay? So let's say that I want to report downtime that just happened. Right now, I'm going to use the first option, change status, in the same window, of course, the report downtime window. Status date, let's say that it was 6 minutes ago, and the code was minor stop, which of course it's non-operational. If I click OK and go down here in my downtime information, I can see that my asset is not running. I still have the same total downtime because this information is the calculation of the sum of the downtime, all right? So let's say now that my asset is back up and running. I will just leave the status date as it is now and click OK. And then I have my asset up and running again with the total downtime of 24 hours and 7 minutes. So this will always sum with the last downtime. You can also manage the downtime history. Let's say that you added an incorrect information here in this 24 hours. Let's say that it was, I don't know, 23 hours maybe. I can adjust my downtime and I can click OK. It takes about 10 seconds to update. Here we go, 23 hours. If I click OK, I've updated my history. As you can see here, the total downtime of 23 hours and 7 minutes. Another option is to report downtime through the work order. But before doing that, I just want to tell you why it's important, if of course you don't already know, why it's important to use downtime in Maximo. Basically, you have two very important, very useful metrics: the mean time between failures and the mean time to repair. By using the downtime report in Maximo, you can create KPIs, reports, or even integrate with Cognos this sort of information. This is not out-of-the-box indicators. Of course, you need to create or use a company specialized in Maximo to create it for you. Now we can easily create and report downtime in a work order here using our Max demo database. I'm just filling the asset here, nothing else. I can go to the select action and report downtime. Let's start 2 minutes ago with total downtime code, all right? Let's say this was a very minor downtime. Now it's back 2 minutes later without downtime code and any other information. Now we can see here in the manage downtime history the information for this particular work order. I cannot see the other records here, but if I want to see all the downtime information, I can just go to the assets application, select action, manage downtime history. Here we have 23 hours, the 7 minutes, and then 2 minutes now from my work order, which I can also change. As you can see here, I can have one start work order and another end work order. I can have one start code and another end code, and the same goes for the start and end operational times. This can be easily managed. This is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, please add a comment below. If you liked our channel, please subscribe and click on the little bell to receive notifications on future videos. Thank you very much and see you later.